Hi, amigas. Let's make pad thai. So we're going to start off with some tamarind. This stuff you can find on Amazon. It's tamarind paste. It's seedless. You still have to strain it. And you're going to soak it and dissolve it in hot water. I dissolved it in about 2.5 cups of hot water. And you're just going to move it around until it starts to dissolve. There we are. We're starting to dissolve. Now I'm going to put it aside and let it finish dissolving. Meanwhile, we peel 6 garlic cloves. I use my silicone oven mitt and my little garlic clove chopper. This thing is so cute and I love it. It's just fun to use. I love buying tools like this that Fabian can help me in the kitchen with. Because there was a time where he wanted to be a chef. Right now, he wants to be a teenager that chills in his room all day. Oh, how the times have changed. There's our minced garlic. Now, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, and half a teaspoon of paprika. You could use more if you want it spicy. 1/4 cup of fish sauce. You could use more if you like fish sauce. Fish sauce is actually delicious, by the way. It doesn't taste as weird as it sounds. And 1 cup of brown sugar. There we are. Now we're going to go back to our tamarind and we're going to squeeze out all of the tamarind shells. This is a shallot. We're going to mince up a shallot. I don't know what the difference between a shallot and an onion is. They both make my eyes burn, so we'll see. All right, now we're going to mince it up as fine as you can. The finer you mince it, the finer your sauce will be, because the shallot is for the sauce. Now we're going to grab our minced garlic, put it there so it's ready to just throw in the heat when it's ready. There we go. Now we're going to chop up some lemons for the side, some green onions, and some peanuts. I'll let you guys watch while I chop them up. I love this chopper. This is my OXO hand chopper. I love this. I got this for Fabian to help me cook too. And we're going to clean and rinse some bean sprouts and have them ready. Now we're going to grab some olive oil in a hot pan. Make sure your pan is as hot as it can be. I should have let mine be a little hotter. And we're going to throw our shallots and our garlic in. Once they start to soften, we're going to throw in our 1 cup of brown sugar. We're going to let that brown sugar melt down and caramelize. Now we're going to throw in our peppers, our chicken bouillon, our fish sauce, a little bit of vinegar. I didn't measure it. I just put a little bit in. Oh, and then our tamarind. Now you're going to stir it and let it just kind of all come together. Oh, and then I decided to add some peanut butter. Sometimes I add peanut butter, sometimes I don't. Let it come to a boil. Dissolve that peanut butter. We're going to reduce it for about 5 minutes. There it is. Now we're going to clean our shrimp. These are jumbo shrimp. They were not deveined because they were like on sale. And I'm like, I'll devein them. Also, I cut up some skinless chicken thighs. Now we're going to grab our rice noodles and we're going to cook those al dente. All right, in our pan, we're going to grab our oil and a little bit of sesame oil, and we're going to grab our chicken, season it lightly, cook it down. Once it's fully cooked, we'll throw in our shrimp. The shrimp cooks fast. You could just do shrimp or just chicken or whatever protein you want. Now we're going to start to add in our noodles and our sauce little by little. I'm only using half the sauce I made. Otherwise, it's too much sauce. There's the rest of the half of the sauce and the rest of the noodles. And now you're just going to let them all cook down together. Throw in some green onions. Cook it down for a few minutes. Oh, and then our bean sprouts. You don't have to throw your bean sprouts in while they're still cooking. I just like my bean sprouts to get soft. That's how Fabian will eat them. And a little bit of cilantro just for pretty appearance and a little bit of flavor. Now we're going to serve a heaping amount. This one was for Jose. For Fabian, I take out the shrimp, put your peanuts on top, grab your lime. Don't forget your sriracha, your chopsticks, and enjoy. Let's see what Fabian thought. Blowing it. Blow, it's hot. What do you think?
Good.
Pad Thai? That's not a handsome smile. So you like Pad Thai?
Yeah.
Pad Thai is a win?
Wow.
A winner?
Yeah.
Okay.